Here he goes! This is very primal of Andrew without a shirt on in the winter weather when it's probably 20 degrees outside or less. This keg weighs about 400 pounds, or 200 rather, full of beer. Here he goes. Lobs it up. That was a good 12-foot throw. This is just round one, guys.
How about the shop? Nice.
Seriously, who needs a rec center? Poke around my nose. It just...